Welcome to our channel. Today, we will clear up common FDIC insurance misunderstandings, so you can protect your money with confidence. Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how to fix the common misunderstandings about FDIC insurance and ensure your deposits are fully protected. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, provides insurance coverage for bank deposits, but many people get confused about what it covers, how much it covers, and why it matters. Step 1. Understand what FDIC insurance actually covers. FDIC insurance protects your deposits up to $250,000 per depositor per insured bank. That means if you have accounts like savings, checking, or certificates of deposit at the same bank, those deposits are added together and insured up to the limit. Step 2. Know what FDIC insurance does not cover. FDIC insurance does not protect investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even money in a bank. That's not FDIC insured. It also does not cover losses due to theft, fraud, or bank failures exceeding coverage limits. Step 3. Keep your account structured properly. If you want to maximize your FDIC insurance coverage, consider how your accounts are titled. Separate ownership categories, such as individual accounts, joint accounts, retirement accounts, or trust accounts, are insured separately, which helps cover more of your money. Step 4. Verify your bank is FDIC insured. This is an easy but important step. Visit the FDIC's website or look for the FDIC sign at your bank to confirm it is a member bank, so your deposits are eligible for insurance. Step 5. Use the FDIC's online tools to calculate your insurance coverage. The FDIC provides tools such as the Electronic Deposit Insurance Estimator that let you enter your deposits to see exactly how much of your money is insured. Step 6. Regularly review your account balances and ownership types to avoid surprises in case of bank failure. Keep your information updated to ensure all your deposits are properly protected. In summary, clearing up misunderstandings about FDIC insurance means knowing exactly what it covers, knowing your limits, organizing your accounts to increase coverage, and double-checking your bank's status. This simple awareness can help your money stay safe through any financial turmoil and give you peace of mind so you can focus on what matters most. Don't forget to stay informed and proactive about your financial security.